Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the mute all sounds function in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To find mute all sounds option, we have to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options here, and under hearing enhancements we have our mute all sounds function. So we just check this little box, and now all sounds on our phone are muted. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this little box, and now we can hear our phone again. So mute all sounds right here in this little menu. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.